Are you looking for ways to generate ongoing revenue? This is a question that many of us ask ourselves, and it's more crucial than ever to have multiple streams of income. Revenue generation is not just about making money. It's about creating a sustainable and diverse financial portfolio. In this video, we're going to explore 10 fantastic ideas that can help you achieve this. From subscription services to freelancing, there's something for everyone. Stay tuned as we delve into these 10 fantastic ideas. First on our list is offering subscription services. Picture yourself subscribing to a magazine or a streaming platform. You're paying a recurring fee for continuous access to a product or service, right? That's the beauty of subscription services. It's a business model that allows customers to pay a periodic fee, usually monthly or annually, for access to a product or service. For the entrepreneur, this means predictable and consistent revenue. This model thrives across various industries, from digital media and software to beauty boxes and fitness. The key is to offer something valuable that people need or want on a regular basis. Subscription services can be a steady source of income if you can offer something valuable on a regular basis. Moving on to the second idea, we have affiliate marketing. Now, what's this all about? Well, it's a process where you partner up with a company and promote their products or services. In return, you earn a commission for every sale that comes through your referral. It's like being a middleman, but online. To start, you'll need to join an affiliate program, select products you genuinely like, and promote them on your platform. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a source of passive income. You do the work once and keep earning as long as people continue to buy through your links. So if you have a blog, a website, or a strong social media presence, affiliate marketing can be a great tool for generating ongoing revenue. Our third idea is selling online courses. The market for online education is booming, with more and more people eager to acquire new skills from the comfort of their homes. This presents a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs. You can capitalize on this trend by creating and selling online courses. Start by identifying a niche skill or knowledge area you excel in. Craft a course around it, ensuring it's engaging, informative, and valuable. Then, choose a platform to host your course. It could be your website or established online course platforms. Promote it through your network and online channels. Remember, it's all about delivering value. By sharing your knowledge and skills, online courses can be a lucrative revenue stream. The fourth idea on our list is publishing ebooks. Let's dive into the world of digital literature. Ebooks are not just electronic versions of printed books. They offer an opportunity for anyone with a story to tell or knowledge to share to reach a global audience. You start by writing a compelling manuscript. Once your masterpiece is ready, you can self-publish it on various platforms like Amazon Kindle, Smashwords, or Lulu. These platforms make your ebook available to millions of potential readers worldwide. You earn a percentage of the sales, offering a steady stream of income. And the best part? Your ebook remains available indefinitely, generating revenue as long as people are interested in your content. Ebooks are a great way to generate ongoing revenue, especially if you have a knack for writing. Fifth on our list is renting out property. The idea here is to leverage your existing assets, especially real estate, to generate a steady stream of revenue. This could be anything from a spare room in your house to an entire apartment complex. The concept of rental income is simple. You provide a space, and tenants pay you to use it. Now, while this may sound like a dream come true, it's not without its potential risks. Maintenance costs, vacancies, and problematic tenants can all eat into your profits. But with careful management and strategic location selection, these risks can be mitigated. The rewards, a consistent income stream, potential property appreciation, and the satisfaction of providing a home for others. Renting property can be a steady source of income, especially in high-demand areas. Moving on to the sixth idea, we have stock market investments. Now, the stock market might seem like a high-stakes gamble, but when approached with knowledge and caution, it can turn into a steady stream of revenue. At its core, stock market investing involves buying shares of a company. As the company performs well, the value of its shares goes up, and so does your investment. However, there's a flip side. If the company doesn't do well, the value of the shares may decrease. It's all about playing the long game, doing your research, and making educated decisions. Stock market investments do come with risks, but the potential rewards can be significant. Investing in the stock market can provide ongoing revenue, especially for those willing to learn and take calculated risks. Our seventh idea is starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means that the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. To start, you'd want to identify a niche, source a supplier, and build an e-commerce website. The beauty of dropshipping is that it's flexible, scalable, and requires less capital than traditional retail models. You could sell trending products from anywhere in the world, right from your living room. Dropshipping can be a profitable venture, especially if you find the right niche. Eighth on our list is app development. In today's digital age, apps are more than just a convenience, they're a necessity. From gaming to banking, shopping to learning, there's an app for virtually everything. Developing an app starts with an innovative idea, followed by meticulous planning, design, and coding. The potential market is enormous, with billions of smartphone users worldwide. But how does it generate income? There are several ways. You can charge for the app itself, offer in-app purchases, or generate revenue through advertising. You can also offer premium features for a subscription fee. If you have a unique idea and the necessary skills, app development can be a profitable revenue stream. Our ninth idea is starting a YouTube channel. It's a platform that enables you to share your passion, knowledge, or simply your creativity with the world. The process begins with identifying a niche, something you love and are knowledgeable about. Then, it's all about creating engaging, quality content. Your earnings on YouTube can come from multiple sources like ad revenue, sponsored videos, or even merchandise sales. The potential is vast, especially when you consider that some of the top YouTubers earn millions each year. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency, creativity, and a keen understanding of your audience. Engage with them, listen to their feedback, and continually improve your content. A YouTube channel can be a steady source of income, especially if you consistently produce engaging content. Last but not least, our 10th idea is freelancing. Freelancing is the modern-day gold rush, offering a world where your skills are the currency. It's about offering your expertise to clients on a project-by-project basis, often from the comfort of your own home. The potential market here is vast. With the digital age, businesses across the globe are increasingly turning to freelancers for tasks ranging from graphic design to content creation, programming, and so much more. This can generate a substantial income, with the added bonus of setting your own hours and choosing your projects. The more in-demand your skills, the higher your earning potential. Freelancing can provide a steady income, especially for those with in-demand skills. So there you have it, 10 ideas to generate ongoing revenue. From subscription services to affiliate marketing, online courses, ebooks, property renting, stock market investments, dropshipping, app development, running a YouTube channel, to freelancing. Each of these ideas has the potential to create a steady stream of income. Remember, the key to ongoing revenue is diversification and persistence. So don't hesitate to try out these ideas and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching.